Hello, my dear students. You are watching KP Public School, and this is our virtual classroom. So, my dear students, in this video, we are going to learn about setting page layout. Basically, as you can see that on your screen, here's the topic by topic, which is we are going to cover in this overall session. So, in this video, basically, we will learn about the margins, orientations, print area, height or display, grid lines, and specified the background, and page size, header and footer. So basically all these are the key concern about this particular session. So first of all, understand how to set up page margin, my dear students. Okay, so here's the step by step guideline. Basically you can go through by all these steps. So once open the page layout and click on the margin, which is already located at page setup group. Okay, so just my dear students, go through the practical step by step guideline. So here's our worksheet exactly, and I'm just going to page layout, and in this area you have to go through. Okay, so here is the page setup. You can see that a page setup block, and in this having a different menus are there. The first one is margins, and second one is orientation, third one is size, print area, breaks, and background, and print titles. So basically all these are the options already located at page setup area. So first of all, go to the margins. So just click on margins. Here is the different margins size are there exactly. जिस particular आप sheet में इसको setup करना चाहते हैं कि generally आप normal size लेना चाहते हैं जिसमें top, bottom, left, header, right, all these are the ratios in inches already available here. Exactly which type of margin area you want to on your worksheet, exactly you can choose from here. There are three options are there, narrow, wide and normal. Suppose that here is the normal, and second one is select the wide having a different it just not locate exact positions are there exactly. So here is the narrow size, where you can see that this particular line is indicate that your page is going to be narrow or narrow or wide or normal exactly. And here is the orientation, my dear students, exactly which type of Excel sheet or which type of WordPress sheet you want to exactly. Is the there are two different orientations are there, landscape and portrait exactly. So you can choose landscape is here. This particular margin lines is represent that which exactly in which look wise how it will show if you are selecting the landscape, and this one is just like that. And here's the size. You can choose your particular Excel sheet size are there, and there are many different colorful size are there, which is you want to choose as per your requirement, as per your documentation. Here's the letter and legal A4 size, B5. There are different size, page size are there, you can choose. And here's the already ratios, inches ratios already mentioned in below of every particular title. So here's the letter having to 8.5 inches into 11 inches of sheets you can make basically in this particular selection. So there are different options are there, you can choose from here, my dear students. As you people can see that there are colorful segmentations already having in a size area. And the next one is print areas. Exactly, if you want to just print off your Excel sheet, exactly which type of printing options you want to exactly set printing area. So here's the some options are there. If you want just print off your particular any documentation, you can set up print area, that how much area you want to print on your hard copy exactly, means paper पे कितना print area आपको चाहिए, कितना margin चाहिए, you can select from here. And again just go through the And here's the background options and the breaks. Here's the press breaks options are there, as we had to learn in our earlier videos. Basically how to break all the page into different pages as per our requirements, and remove, and basically all these we have done in our last video. You can go through our last video having title as page breaks options are there. And the third one is background. If you want to set up any particular background on your Excel sheet, you can go through by the background option. So just click on background and choose your picture. Already go on the desktop, and here's the KP Public School picture already, and just click on select your picture where you have to put your picture exactly, and just insert. And you can see that as behind of your Excel sheet, the particular pixels is already highlighting, which is already we have just taken from your website, KP Public School. So by using this particular option, you can insert a background image in your Excel sheet exactly, and easily you can delete from the same option, delete background, and you can see that your Excel sheet is going to be normal. And print title, if you want to just here again the page margins, and there are different orientations are there, and margins. Here's the margins. You can select from here exactly which type of sheet you want to, exactly left side how much you want to, right side, upper, bottom, top, header, footer, exactly. So basically there are many more different options are there. And here's the new and extraordinary options are there, my dear students. If you want just insert a header and footer, title of your sheet and last bottom of your sheet, exactly as we have learned in our MS Word, how you exactly why we insert the header and footer, and exactly what is the uses of all these. We have just learned our in our earlier videos. We have just covered all these topics in MS Word. The same fundamental you can again attach your insert header and footer option in our Excel sheet. Just go through by using this. Okay, so easily we have just covered all these fundamentals, my dear students, in this video. Almost margin, orientation, print area, height or grid lines, specified page size, header and footers, all these options we have to cover. And I'm requesting to all of you, my dear students, just learn all these topics very carefully, because this is the almost all these are the practical type of topics. And you can say that all these are the practical type of sessions are there, which is we are covering here. So just go through by your book, and follow the step-by-step practical guideline, which is we have done in this particular video exactly. So my dear students, we will meet in next video with a different with a different topic. So till then, my dear students, and here's the self-assessments. You people can just cover all these questions if you have just learned all these previous topics very carefully. So I'm requesting to you learn and listen all these topics very carefully, and cover your self-assessment by yourself. And so we will meet in next video. Till then, have a good day, and for your bright future, my dear students. Thank you.